Okay, so the next example, 77 divided by 3, and you can pause the video right now, try to figure this out, and then we'll go over it. Anytime you see something written like this, I would probably just rewrite it right away like this so that it would look like 77 divided by 3, with the 77 is going to go underneath this symbol here and the 3 is going to go outside of it. And so now, as always, we want to think, how many times does 3 go into 7? And 3 is going to go into 7 2 times. And again, we know that because 3 times 2 gives me 6, which is a number that's close to 7, but it's less than 7. Now I have to do 3 times 2, which we just said was 6. And I draw that 6 down here directly below the first 7. I'm not going to worry about this 7 yet. I'm just focusing on the 7 minus 6 for now. And 7 minus 6 is what? It's 1. Now that I've got that out of the way, I'm going to take this 7 and I'm going to pull this 7 down so I have 17. Now the next question I want to ask myself is, how many times does 3 go into 17? And the answer here is 5. Now how do we know that? Well, again, if we look at our 3's times tables, we know that 3 times 5 is going to be 15. 15 is a number that's close to 17, but it's not over 17. It's a little less than 17. Now, we don't want to pick 6 because that's going to give us 18. 3 times 6 is going to give us 18. That's not going to work. So that's why we picked the 5 here. Now, I write my 5 up top here, then I do 3 times 5, which 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, and so now I put the 15 here, and we're going to simply subtract. 17 minus 15 is 2. So the final answer after all this, it's just simply 25, remainder 2, and this is the answer.